How to fix your data is corrupt or didn't download properly. NIAMEY, LOGAN in CoD MW2. 1. For PS5 players, access then exit quick settings immediately. Hint, press the button on your controller or keyboard that exits you from the settings screen, circle, B, or ESC. To run MW2 as an administrator, PC. Like this. 3. Repair the game file. Like this. And for PS5, delete. And reinstall the game. 4. Power cycle the console. 5. Check server status. 6. Check your network connectivity. 7. Update the system software. 8. Update Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2. 9. Don't put your PS5 in its rest mode. 10. For PS5 users, go offline. Turn off on-demand texture streaming.